Often we get inquiries on what is the R value of our roof deck products and of the roof system. A lot of people don't understand the difference between the R value of a product and the U value of the overall system, so we thought we'd give an explanation. Thermal values are expressed two different ways. One is the U value, which is the overall heat transfer of the system. In our business, the roof deck is part of the system. The roofing membrane is part of the system. There's also other elements called the inside and outside air film. Those all combined equal the overall U value of the system. The R values are the product resistance to the heat transfer. R values can be added together, but the higher the R value, the better. The U value is the inverse of the R, or the lower the better. So when you're looking at a roof deck product, the individual Tectum product itself, and we're going to use Tectum E for an example, 6-inch, has an R value of 18.53. That's the product by itself, that's its R value. But when that product gets installed as a roof deck and has a roof membrane put on top of it, which it must have to be in existence, then you turn over to a U value, or a total R, of the combined, the Tectum E plus the outside air film and the inside air film. Well, what's that? Well, here's a bad example, but a drawing of a deck. In all cases, right above and right below, there's a very thin layer of air that separates the product from the environment, and that also adds R value. Not a whole lot of R value, but enough to be considered into the calculations. So for the outside air film, that real thin piece of air on the outside of a building above the roof has an R of 17. The inside air film, right up to the ceiling of the roof deck, has an R value of 68. You've also got to consider the roof membrane. In some cases, built-up roofing or other rubber roofs have an R value of 0.44. So adding these together, you get a total R value of 19.82, or the conversion of that, the inverse of R, a U value of 0.05. That pretty much meets the building standards for commercial buildings throughout the United States. But having the R of 18.53 by itself does not meet some of the requirements of the R value of 20. But when you add the inside and outside air film and the roof membrane, you will get to the R value of 19.82 or 20, which is many of the code standard requirements. That pretty much ends this presentation.